The Kitten Who Loved the Moon. In a cozy little house lived a tiny kitten named Luna. Every night, she watched the moon from her window. Luna thought the moon was a glowing ball just for her. She said,
"If I jump high enough, I can touch it."
She jumped from a chair. She climbed a table, but the moon stayed far away. One night, clouds covered the moon. Luna felt lonely without her shining friend. Seeing her sadness, her owner placed a tiny moon lamp beside her bed. Luna curled up next to her little moon. She learned that some dreams aren't meant to be caught, they're meant to be loved. Happiness can be closer than we think.